All right, so if you're into astrology or if you're into palmistry, I have one interesting fact about astrology that you probably have never heard. I did mention it a long time ago on my channel once. And then also something about palmistry you've probably never heard. So we'll start with palmistry. If you are familiar with palmistry and have experience with that, you are probably aware that the lines on the hand change over time, particularly on your dominant hand. So for 90% of the public, it's your right hand. And then for 10% of the public, it's your left hand. But anyway, yes, your lines on your hand change over time. When I was first learning about palmistry, that was one of the things that I was learning about as well. And over the years, yeah, my lines sure as heck changed. Now, when I look at my understanding of quantum jumping, which is essentially how human beings move through time, quantum jumping, moving through time, because well, it gets kind of if you're not familiar with quantum jumping, um, look into it. You can ask me questions if you want, but yeah, so because you're quantum jumping, moving through time, of course your lines on your hand could change because many times every second your consciousness moves into a new body, looks just like you. Every time it looks just like you, but literally a new body. A lot of people that's going to sound completely freaking nuts, but yes. So you're literally moving into a new body many times every second. That's how human beings move through time and space. And if that's confusing, I suggest you study the eternal now, how everything is the present, always. It's always the present. There is no past or future. The present repeats itself over and over again at infinite speeds. So anyway, yeah, the lines on your hand change over time. Astrology. When it comes to the 12 traditional sun signs, please keep in mind that you're going to have a wide range of maturity levels when it comes to each sign. So so you're one of the 12 signs, you might be on the cusp, but anyway, your horoscope sun sign, your zodiac sun sign, your maturity level, both in life and as a soul, is going to have an influence on how your horoscope sign manifests in your personality, in your energy. So if you're a very old soul and possess a lot of wisdom, you happen to be a Libra, you're gonna be a lot different compared to a young soul who is also a Libra. So when you're telling people about horoscope signs and sun signs, you're going over the attributes and the traits and the pros and the cons. The maturity of the soul slash person is a big factor in what kind of blank horoscope sign, whatever you are, blank you are. So yeah, just wanted to throw that out there.